Look what happened after Typhoon Ulysses left our country. This is in Riverbanks. Marikina is my hometown in the Philippines. This town is really beautiful. I grew up here. I have witnessed the progress of